So today, guys, we are heading over to my buddy Jake's house. And this is kind of like a last minute after work video. I'm meeting Haley, Chase. Gonna be pretty cool, kind of excited. We're gonna go rip up Jake's track today, and I'm hoping the track's in nice condition for our guests. I think Chase just got a brand new pit bike, so that's pretty sick. I know Haley just got a brand new pit bike, and so it's gonna be a sick day. I'm excited. Let me see if this bike falls off as soon as we turn. Looks good. Looks like it probably was gonna fall off. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna head over to Jake's house, get loaded up, get ready for when the HD crew gets here, and yeah, let's see where Chase and Kyle and Mo and everybody is. So we'll see you guys in a second. I see a pit bike track and I see a Jake's house, so let's head on up there. What's up, dude? Dude, it is. I always for some reason pick the hottest days to do this. Dude, how you been? Bringing the whole crowd out today? Look who decided to show up, a little late. Of course, Haley's driving.
Hi.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
the freak? Jeez, just open it up all the way. What's up? You ready to ride?
This place far, man.
What are you doing?
Kyle's dog attacked me.
Oh, yeah?
It
I
jumped.
could see a little bit of fin hair on you.
He jumped in the back seat, then jumped in the front seat.
I'm ready to see this dude send it over here. You gonna send the 40-footer today? You gonna send the 40-footer today?
I'm busy.
Miller, every time you tell me it goes up like 10 foot.
I thought it was 30.
No, it was 45 feet.
Yeah.
Definitely 45 feet.
I'm busy rigging up cameras.
I'm not sending it. Jeez, dude, doesn't it look so much better? Yeah.
What's going on with the shoes over here?
Hey, don't talk about it.
Why?
Don't talk about it. I was mid-changing shoes whenever y'all pulled up. That's why. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it.
Seriously?
All right, Chase, tell me what you're gonna do today. You gonna send it?
I try not to die.
That was my biggest thing.
Mic check 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, my biggest thing is like, all right, let's have fun and go home in one piece, not broken.
Yeah.
I don't want to drive home.
You drove here though.
No, I did. I just drove the last 10 minutes.
No. Oh, I forgot about you. What's up, dude? Come here. Hey, sweets. Oh, you're so sweet. All right, guys, we're gonna pop on the GoPros and see what Chase and Mo are all about. Alrighty, let's hop on the bike here. All right, we got some new gloves, ladies and gentlemen. We got some new goggles up there. Gotta ride 100%, dude. So, let's see what everybody's doing right now. Do you want me to tow you in for this one right here? All right, Chase, you want me to tow you in for that one? All right, so the key for this one is to hold it literally wide freaking open. Ah! Yes, sir! How was that? That's a pretty fun jump, dude. Wide open. Did you do it? That's fun. Oh, God. That step down is so freaking sketchy. Got a freaking huck over those. I didn't mean to go over that. Then you come in here. Oh, he's got a nice rut plate in there. Come up through here. Oh, God. There's no way I'm clearing that. I barely cleared the one I'm comfortable with. This is a bunch of fun though. I'm loving this. Send it, baby. Let's go. My bike, I changed my gearing, so that's why I'm going a little too slow for it. You got that, dude. What's up, bud? Let's go, baby. Oh my God, my brake almost didn't catch right there. Oh, that's fun, dude. Chase is killing it already. I knew he would. There you go, Mo! Let's go, baby. Haley, nice. That was pretty big. Style points too. Ah! Oh my God. Let's see you, Chase. Nice, bud. Bro, you sailed that. Was that second? Oh my God. You sailed that. I was like, no way he's gonna do it. Freaking sails it. Good stuff, dude. The time I made it, I followed him. Chase is gonna follow him in. Here we go.
Oh, that looks easy.
Why did I make it think so?
So much harder than it actually was.
Yeah, right? They're pros, so like, I'll give it to them. Yeah, you're just floating essentially. Dude, that was baller.
Side by side.
Come here, Chase. Oh, that's definitely the bigger, better line. Crazy, bro. Slippery right there. There you go, Haley. You got that one all day, Haley. That one's the easiest one. Nice. He makes it look so easy.
When you sit in third, if you held a third line, that would have been it all day.
Chase is loving this. He's loving this. Holy cow, it's hot. All right, let's see it, Chase. Chase always wants me to bring him to pit bike tracks, and that's what I did this today. My camera real quick. Y'all take a water break?
Yeah, I want to water.
Yeah. Oh, all right, boys. We're gonna take a quick WB and get some water in our system so we don't overheat. You know what I'm saying? That'd be bad. But we're having a blast out here. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Seeing Chase and everybody rip out here is literally the best thing ever. Dude, how you like a ripping pit bike? Ever since I met you, you're like, I want to come ride pit bikes with you, and it's me and Mo that always go. You never come.
I love your little trailer. It's
Dude,
so cute.
right? I get 30 miles a gallon and tow my pit bike. We're good. I almost died. Wait, Jake, you need to, wait, get Jake up here. All right, here we go. Oh, a little light bar action. You want me to pass you, Haley? Where do we go from here?
What is this?
I don't know. Never stuck. Ah! I might have messed up. Oh God. No. What's up, dude? Where do we go from here? Oh my God, Chase! Oh my God, that's so funny. He just sprayed the absolute crap out of her. I almost died, bro. See, I like coming over to Jake's because he's got all this stuff, and then he has he's got the track too, so it's a whole bunch of fun. We're mobbing now. Oh, I almost lost it right there. Oh, I got so much hay on my ankle. Yee-hoo! Mo's on my butt. Haley, look! It's a cow!
What?
It's a cow! I want to go see the cows. Hi, cows. Here, buddy. Oh, they're coming. There you go, HD. There you go. You're getting it. You got it all day. Let's go, baby. Doing some wheelie. Oh, the hand drag. Ah! All right, guys, I'm gonna hop out on the big camera and get some sick clips there. So I hope you guys enjoy this next little montage.
Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Okay, I walked in looking like a old damn list. So much money on me, sold you bitch to hold my shit. Ice on me cold, got me frozen down a bit. Love that hate, but I don't know how much work we put in. I got game behind me, and I don't like the talk, boo. You know where to find me, and if he like the top rule, I'ma get him knocked down. I'm tryna call me a glizzy, ain't talking hard down. Find the time, let's do it. Bitch on the shit, they know it. I need my funds, came from the mud. I love my brothers, I cheat on my aim, and I'm still with the game.
All right, Chase. All right, Mo. What'd you think of the track?
It's sick.
Dude, you killed it. You liking your new bike?
Love my new bike.
Who's Duffy?
Me.
Oh, you Duffy now? Chase Duffy?
He is Bryn Duffy.
Bryn Duffy. Haley, what'd you think? Pretty fun
I
track?
had so much fun.
A lot of fun?
It's hard finding good tracks here in North Carolina, but this is definitely one of the good ones.
This is the funnest one. Yeah. Anyways, guys, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you like more, the pit bike vlogs, the Porsche vlogs, the random car vlogs. I don't know. You guys let me know. The truck series is coming up. Gotta get it back from the shop, just like Jake said. Gotta get it back from the shop. It should be coming in, and then it's sending it off to get built. So, hope you guys are stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys are ready for the big news that I'm gonna be dropping at the end of the month. So, stay tuned for that. See you guys next week. Have a good one. Have a great weekend. Live your life. See you later.